welcome to a brand new video. This is Half Beyond Numbers, where we learn maths the easy way. Now, in this video, we'll be looking at solving word problems. On all that we've done under fraction, we want to apply them in solving word problems. So I have some word problems here. We can try our hands on to get understanding on how to approach word problem questions. Without much ado, let's quickly go into our first question here. A baker used 3/4 of a bag of flour to bake bread and 1/8 of the same bag to make cookies. How much flour did he use in total? So this is a typical addition problem. How do we know it's an addition problem? The baker used this amount and then has also gone to use this amount. So you want to add together the total in terms of fraction that the baker used. So our solution. Now it is important we take note of the following when solving. If you write them down, you can be able to look at them and then reflect and then present your solution also in order. So the flour, we will take note of the flour used for bread. And then we also take note of the flour used for cookies. And then we will now be solving for the total flour used. So the flour used for bread, from the question, a baker used 3/4 of a flour for what? Bread. That is 3/4. And then the flour used for cookies, 1/8. That is 1/8. You see? So how much did he use in total? The total flour used is going to be the flour used for bread plus the flour that was used for what? The cookies. That is 3/4 plus 1/8. And as you can see, this is a straightforward addition question. So if you are adding, we look for our LCM. LCM of 4 and 8 becomes what? 8. Then we ask ourselves, 4 divides 8. How many times? Twice. The 2 times the 3 gives us a 6. 8 divides 8 how many times? Once. 1 times 1, we have what? 1. Then this gives us 6 plus 1, which is 7 all over 8. This here is this here answers the question, how much flour did the baker use in total? So in total, the baker used 7/8 of the flour. I hope that makes sense and it's explanatory. Let's look at our next question here. There's a basket contains 12 equal parts of mangoes. Ben took 5 out of the 12. Lisa took 3 out of the 12. What fraction of the mangoes is still in the basket? This is a typical example of like fractions. We are being told that there are 12 in total. And Ben takes what? 5/12. Lisa, on the other hand, takes 3/12. What fraction of the mango is still in the basket? What fraction is still in the basket? So if we look at what Ben took, which is 5/12, and we add it to what Lisa also took, which is 3/12, that is going to give us an 8/12. So it means out of the 8 mangoes, a total, out of the 12 mangoes, a total of what? 8 has been taken. A basket contains 12 equal parts of a mango, and 8 has been taken. Hence, how many do you have left? So 12 minus the 8, which gives us a what? A 4. So it simply implies that about 4 out of the 12 is what is remaining. If you don't understand it this way, you want to solve it in terms of fraction, then we'll say the total mangoes is going to be 12/12. That is in terms of fractions. Minus how many has been taken? 8/12. And it still boils down to we subtracting 8 from 12. That gives us what? A 4 again. So 4/12. Right? So this is it for this question. For addition, For simple addition and subtraction of fractions in word problems, they are straightforward. And I would advise you take time and then solve these questions on your own, so that when we begin those that are more complex, you would appreciate it and then be able to understand. A soccer player trained for 3/4 of an hour in the morning and another 1/4 of an hour in the evening. How many hours in total did the player train that day? So we were told that he trained 2/3 of an hour in the morning. So for the morning, he trained for 2/3 of an hour. Then for the evening, he trained for 1/4 of an hour. So if you want in fraction, take note in fraction, because this question can also be converted to look for how many hours in actual time units. But we want the answer here in terms of fraction. So in terms of fraction, that is going to be 3/3 plus 1/4. And 2/3 plus 1/4, we know the LCM of 3 and 4 to be 12. 3 divides 12 4 times. 4 times 2 gives us an 8. 4 divides 12 3 times. 3 times 1 also gives us what? A 3. Adding this together gives us 11/12. So in terms of fraction, the soccer player trained a total of 11 out of 12. That is in terms of fraction. So basically, these are how we solve basic questions in fractions that are in a word problem forms. Understand the question, look at the fractions involved, interpret, write your equation, and then you solve. First of all, understand your question. Write it out in equations, and then you do what? You solve. So these are some examples here I would like you to try. For each and every one of them, you can try and then let me know the answer in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I do hope that you understood what we treated in this video. This Hub Beyond Numbers, where we make maths easy to learn. If you have any question, you can always drop it at the comment section. Or if you have a topic you would want me to create a video on it for you, can always let me know at the comment section. And as you can see what is going there, if you want a one-on-one class with me that is fully online, you can also let me know by contacting me on Telegram, and I would respond to you at a very cool rate, of course. Thanks and have a nice day. Happy learning. Stay safe.